Welcome to LUCA. In this video, I'll show you how to configure LUCA to send emails directly using your own domain email. With LUCA.pro, you can use your own email domain to send quotations, sale invoices, payment reminders, sale receipts, and purchase orders, all directly from within the platform without relying on third-party email tools. First, open your browser and go to app.luca.pro. Log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand menu. Click on Settings. Under Settings, select Custom Mailing. This section is where you can add, verify, and manage your email domains. To add a new domain, click the Add New button. A form will appear asking for your domain or subdomain name. Enter your domain name. For this example, we'll use app.example.com. After entering the domain, click Save. Once saved, your domain will appear in the list. At this stage, the domain status will show as unverified. This means the domain has been added successfully, but it is not yet ready to send emails. In the Remarks column, you'll see a message that says, Domain created, verify using DNS records in Details page. To continue, open the Domain Details page. You can do this by clicking directly on the domain name or by clicking the right side menu and selecting Details. On the Details page, you'll see a list of host names and values. These DNS records need to be added to the DNS server of your domain in order to verify ownership. If you don't manage the DNS yourself, you can click the Print button on the right. This will generate a printable list of all required DNS records, which you can share with your DNS administrator or IT team to add to the DNS server. If a host name already exists in your DNS server, you do not need to create a new record. Instead, edit the existing record and add the new value, making sure to separate it with a comma at the end. After all DNS records have been added, return to LUCA.pro. Click the Verify Domain button on the right. If the DNS configuration is correct, you'll see a confirmation message saying, Domain verified successfully. In some cases, DNS verification may take up to 24 hours to complete. If your configuration is correct but the domain is not verified immediately, simply wait. You will receive an email from us once your domain has been successfully verified. Once verified, your domain is ready to send emails. Once the domain is verified, you can add a sender. Click the Add New Sender button. Then enter the sender details. As an example, sender name, no reply. Sender email address, no-reply@example.com. Click Save. That's it. You can now send invoices and system emails directly from LUCA.pro using your own domain. In this example, no-reply@example.com. Your emails will now appear more professional and trusted to recipients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials to learn even more about using LUCA. See you next time.